This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chili pickle. First, select about 500 grams of fresh green chilies, ensuring they are firm and unblemished. Wash them thoroughly and pat them completely dry. Any moisture can spoil the pickle. Next, wearing gloves to protect your hands, remove the stems and slice the chilies into half-inch pieces or make a lengthwise slit. Finally, prepare your storage jars by sterilizing them in hot water and drying them completely. Now, let's create that aromatic spice blend. In a dry pan over medium heat, lightly toast 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds for about 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once cooled, grind these seeds into a coarse powder. For the oil, heat about 1/4 cup of mustard oil until it just begins to smoke. Then turn off the heat and let it cool down to a warm temperature. It's time to bring all these wonderful flavors together. In a large bowl, combine your prepared chili pieces with the freshly ground spices. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to your preference. Next, add about 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. These add tang and act as natural preservatives. Finally, pour the warm mustard oil over the entire mixture, mixing thoroughly to ensure every chili piece is beautifully coated. Once mixed, carefully transfer your chili pickle into the sterilized glass jars, pressing down gently to remove any air pockets. It's crucial that the chilies are completely submerged in the oil and liquid mixture. This helps preserve them and prevents mold. Seal the jars tightly and store them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. Allow the pickle to cure for at least 3 to 4 days for the flavors to meld beautifully before enjoying this spicy condiment with your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.